Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. My name is Irene and this is Hairy Lifestyle. Thank you for joining me for this video. Now here at Hairy Lifestyle, we are all about making life simple, affordable and healthy. So if those are three things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time I have a new video. I'd love to have you in my YouTube family. Karibuni sana. Today here at Hairy Lifestyle, I'm telling you guys, I am so excited because I have a guest. I've been wanting to host this lady for a very long time. Beldina is her name. Aki, she wears so many hats, I don't know where to start. She's a teacher, she's a content creator, she's a social media marketer. Wow, and she has her own channel. It's called Beldina
Kirito J.
Wow. Yes. Karibu sana. I hope you're feeling at home already.
Yes, yeah. I am. You're a very warm person. Thank you for having me today.
Wow, we are excited. Yes. So guys, in my last video, the video that I posted over the weekend, we made boiled eggs and I showed you how I make my boiled eggs. Everybody then asks me, Sasa, easy boiled eggs, what are we going to eat them with? So in today's video, we're just going to go through making two very simple salads that you can use to eat with your boiled eggs. Because you know, boiled eggs can get a little bit boring. Not everyone loves boiled eggs, but depending on what you serve them with, that is what will make all the difference.
Exactly.
So what are we making today, Beldina?
Now today we will be making tomato salsa salad and guacamole. Is it guacamole or guacamole?
Guacamole.
Guacamole. Yes. Kizungu ilikuja na mimi.
Na tunatengeneza, we are calling it salsa, but it's literally kachumbari. If you've gone to buy your eggs from my pasua, my pasua is not the same without a kachumbari.
Exactly.
So one of the best ways to eat your boiled eggs is with a kachumbari, what we are calling a salsa. Yep.
Irene, you can introduce the ingredients that we have and tell us which one are for which.
Okay. So we are going to be making, as you said, guacamole. We're just going to use tomatoes, colored peppers, that is pilipili hoho, the red, the yellow, the green, some onions, of course avocado. We have our eggs here and we have some lemon juice. That is going to go there. Then for our salsa, am I confused? For our salsa, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have dhania. Yes, and of course we have a bit of salt for taste. So these eggs I made in my last video. You can always visit my channel and see that video. Making eggs, for some people, it's easy. For me, it has always been something hard.
It's not easy when you're doing.
And then peeling them, do you have a problem peeling your eggs?
Yeah. When we boil them, our traditional way, we find that when you're peeling, inatoka like with all the white shells.
With all the white shells. So, Ebu, give me a spoon there. Let's see if what I said would happen is what will happen. And you can go to my channel and check that out. When I boil these eggs of mine using the recipe that I used, guys, they peel perfectly.
Wow.
I use a spoon just to lift the shell off, but
this is amazing.
No drama. No drama.
How easy that was.
Egg has perfectly peeled. Every time I peel eggs, and then I took mayai from my pasua because my home eggs,
they peel off with everything.
They peel off with everything.
Only the yolk. I can.
So that will go to a plate. I believe you can. You can use a fresh plate for that. We're going to put that egg there in readiness for our meal.
And guys, today we decided to do this video because you see now like the boiled eggs that Irene shared, they can be a bit boring when we take them without any accompaniment. So that's why we are making the two salads to show you what salads can accompany your boiled eggs. So tomato salsa, what we are calling that, kachumbari. It's like the kachumbari. So we are going to show you how to make kachumbari or tomato salsa or guacamole. So the two combined, guys. And now that we're talking about leading a healthy lifestyle, you can just have your eggs and salad for dinner or lunch and you're good to go, right?
By the way, as long as you're having a good amount of protein and you're mixing that with your veggies. Of course, you can always add a good carb if you're a carb eater. Hapa ndio unaweka ndoma, not cakes and
Leo tumemulikwa wase. Leo
Sio keki na mandazi kila siku.
Yeah.
Sometimes you bring in that ndoma and that wash. And
Exactly.
sometimes you just take your eggs with your vegetables and you're good to go. They'll fill you up. You will not feel hungry until lunchtime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, now we can start. We will start with the tomato salsa salad. We are leading healthy lifestyle. Yeah, so what is going to go in first?
This one you're showing me?
Yeah, so we can have our tomatoes, and for this one, tomatoes zitakuwa mingi kidogo, so you don't want the onion can be a bit strong, so you don't want the onion to overshadow the tomato. So for the onions, what we did,
I actually wanted to ask you.
yeah.
So we soaked them in
hot water with a
bit of salt.
Yeah, salty hot water to ensure that it's not is it bitter? It doesn't have that bitter taste.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we have the onions. Then we have the dania. And now, since Irene is an healthy lifestyle advocate, we are not using olive oil or any other kind of oils or anything. So we are using lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Yeah. So as our dressing. No vinegar here.
Vinegar you can use. Yeah.
But now for the health, it's very healthy. So and
a pinch of salt.
Yes, a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And if you like pili or pepper, now we're going to use a bit of.
We're just going to use powdered pepper. You can always use green chilies or red chilies. Just depends on what you have.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
kafirifiri kwa umbali. Now guys, see.
Very simple.
Very simple, and you have your tomato salsa salad here. Kachumbari.
Yeah. Now guys, you boil your eggs depending on how much you want them to cook. If you like your yolks to be very yellow, don't boil them for a long time. If you like your yolks more cooked, boil them for a little bit less time. Yeah, it all depends on what you like.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to do the
plating? Yeah.
This is completely Kenyan. I don't know if you've never taken boiled eggs with salsa. I'm not sure if you're truly a Kenyan.
Hauko Kenya.
Hauko Kenya. This is something hata ukisikia njaa ukiwa tau kwa station. You can always buy this and eat.
Sure.
So this is perfect. You can carry your eggs and your salsa to work. You can eat it at home anytime.
Simple
and healthy. Yeah. Some good protein, some good vegetables that are giving you all the nutrition that you need. Alafu you won't be worried.
And again, it's very affordable.
Very affordable.
Very affordable, guys.
10 bob each. Tomato, maybe half a nyanya. Dania, kitunguu, very affordable. And that's why I talk about
less than 50 bob.
Simple.
You have a meal.
Affordable.
Yeah, guys, now you see, I am so lucky to have Irene today. She's teaching us those simple hacks. So remember her YouTube channel, Hairy Lifestyle.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's our first meal.
We are done.
You can eat your eggs like that. Those who are asking me how to eat their boiled eggs.
Yes, that's how we do it.
Simple and easy.
Exactly. Now guys, now we're going to the next one, the guacamole. Yeah. So we are going to start with our tomatoes first. And then we have the capsicum. We have different colors. Hojos, red and yellow.
You can add the green one if you like.
Yeah, sure.
And you can add chilies.
Exactly. Yeah, you can. Then we have
our onions. This one's also soaked?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah. And then we have the game changer, the avocado guacamole itself. Yeah, now for this one, it's going to be mashed. Now we're going to mash the avocados. Maybe you can show us how we mash this. I hope to save again time. Yeah.
I hope hakuna science more.
Hakuna then our dressing again, guys. It's lemon juice. So we're going to add our lemon juice. We just squeezed the juice out of the lemon.
If you want to use oil, go for a healthy oil like olive oil.
Yeah, sure.
You know, there's some healthy oils out there. To save mafuta ni mbaya. We're just saying be a little careful about the oil that you use in your food. Yeah. Use something that is healthy for you. Yeah. But I'm not a big advocate of processed oils that are usually rancid and they hazikupatii value yoyote. Yeah, sure.
So we do a little salt also. I can imagine this, it's just life. For guys in Kenya here, avocado is life. Oh, yeah. You can hide yourself just to eat avocado.
We have to have some chili in this.
Yeah. Let's just add a little bit. So chili is optional. You can have a chili or not, depending on whether you like it or not.
And there we have it. Imagine that's nice.
Guys,
I can eat this. By the way, I can eat this every single day. Sichokangi na mayai, na salsa, avocado. I can't. In fact, I have to stop myself ndio nisikule mingi. Otherwise, my trainer will be on my case.
This is amazing.
It's nice.
Simple and great.
You know, there are people who don't like avocado.
Yeah.
We all love avocado, but kuna a few Kenyans here and there. Wanasema, avocado, no, I don't like. So if you don't like avocado, this will be the salsa you go for.
Yeah, sure. Unaelewa barabara, you don't have to do ya barabara anymore.
You can do your own. Kama nirushe mawe kidogo.
Actually, there is someone who was saying, how come my eggs and salsa don't taste like zile za barabara?
Okay, by the way, food ya barabara and kibandaski inakuanga tu na taste yake. There's a way it tastes. But what the mawe I wanted to rusha is, you don't have to go to the next restaurant to make such a meal.
I know.
Surely, ukiingia kwa mkahawa uitishe hii food, you'll pay something like 200,
exactly.
300. I mean, for this. And these are very simple things that you can incorporate into your life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, that is our healthy lifestyle for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am sure you have loved what we have done. Yeah. We are clapping for ourselves. Yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Irene's channel, and let's continue doing this, guys.
Asanteni sana. Thank you for watching. By the way, I don't think I mentioned this when we started this video. Kindly visit Beldina's channel and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment, you interact. Yeah. You know, give us a thumbs up for this video on both our channels.
Yes.
We're so glad to have brought you this video. Yeah. Asante sana kwa kunitembelea.
Thank you.
Next week tutakuja kwako.
You're most welcome. Tukule makeki. When you come kwangu, be ready to
eat some cake.
Yeah, to add some calories.
No, I can't. By the way, nitakula alafu niende gym.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Asanteni sana. Thank you for joining us. Kwaherini. We'll see you in our next video.
Till next time, guys. See you. Bye.